Hey there, friends. Welcome back to the Money IQ, where we turn money questions into money answers. Today, I want to talk about something that's holding so many people back, often without them even realizing it. These are 5 money habits that can quietly keep you poor. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to flip the script and set yourself up for success. Let's dive in. Cut to habit number 1, living beyond your means. First up, the habit of living beyond your means. It's easy to fall into the trap of buying things to impress others or treating every paycheck like a license to spend. I've seen it happen time and time again. Here's the truth. Financial freedom doesn't come from looking rich. It comes from being rich. Instead of chasing the next trend or upgrading for no reason, try this. Live below your means and let your savings do the heavy lifting. Start with something small, like skipping that fancy coffee run, and watch how those little changes add up. Cut to habit number 2, neglecting to budget. Next, let's talk about budgeting, or rather, not budgeting. I used to think I didn't need a budget either. I thought, I know what I'm spending. Spoiler alert, I didn't. Without a budget, money slips through your fingers faster than you realize. Creating a simple plan for your income, spending, saving, and investing puts you in the driver's seat. It's not about restricting yourself. It's about giving your money a purpose. Trust me, that purpose changes everything. Cut to habit number 3, avoiding investing. Here's a big one, avoiding investing. So many people tell themselves, I'll start investing when I make more money. But the reality, time is the most powerful factor in building wealth. I remember the first $50 I put into a simple index fund. It didn't seem like much, but today it's worth more than I imagined, all thanks to compound growth. The earlier you start, the less money you need to reach your goals. Start small, but start today. Cut to habit number 4, not prioritizing an emergency fund. Let's talk emergencies, because they happen to everyone. Whether it's a medical bill, a car repair, or something completely unexpected, life throws curveballs. Without an emergency fund, you're forced to rely on credit cards or loans, which only sink you deeper into financial trouble. Build a safety net. Even if you start with just $20 a week, you're building financial peace of mind. And trust me, that peace is priceless. Cut to habit number 5, ignoring financial education. Finally, ignoring financial education. Here's a hard truth. If you're not learning, you're falling behind. I wasn't born knowing how to save, budget, or invest. It's something I had to study, fail at, and try again. These days, there are endless resources, books, podcasts, videos like this one. Set aside just 10 minutes a day to learn something new about money. That small habit can unlock opportunities you never thought possible. So, there you have it, 5 habits that might be keeping you stuck, and how to break free from them. Remember, small changes over time create massive results. Which habit are you ready to tackle first? Drop a comment below and let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And hey, if this video sparked something in you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Together, we're building not just financial knowledge, but a brighter future. Until next time, stay wise, stay focused, and always keep growing. Take care.